Lift with your head, not your back. Lifting is part of many jobs, but lifting the wrong way, that can seriously damage your back. This is how many people lift, and it's asking for trouble. Smart lifting starts with the right technique. Place your feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees and keep your back straight. Keep the load close to your body. Lift smoothly and never twist while lifting. Is it too heavy? Ask for help or use a tool like a hand truck or lifting aid. Your back is not a forklift. A safe workspace makes lifting easier. Make sure there's enough space, good lighting and clear walkways. Take short breaks. Switch tasks when possible and stay hydrated. This helps prevent overload. Lifting safely is a team effort. Smart, strong and safe. That's how we keep work healthy and sustainable. Lift with your head, not your back.